What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on NIO stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you how important for now the data from their delivery numbers. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point, and I've told you that we hit two ranges of support. First of all, it was this horizontal line at roughly $18 mark, and it is the confluence with 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. If I pull the Fibonacci retracement 2 from the swing low on May 11th to the swing high of June 24th, and this range was the accumulation point for potentially algo traders, and the price target for these setups was around $27.27, which implies about 50% of upside potential. And I've told you at this very moment that probably we are forming another bullish pattern, that is bull flag, and this is the channel, as you can see right here. And if I connect all the tops right here, we probably should hit this range of resistance as the range of resistance, the upper channel as the range of resistance, and it hit it to the tick and went lower. So for now the price is very technical, and I have to say that we have to confirm this basically channel as the major setup, and to this case we have to see a bit lower targets, but everything I will show you in my technical analysis. And for now, let's continue with the fundamental news, and let me show you what was the reason of this movement to the upside, and especially what was the reason of this decrease in its price and how it might affect the price of NIO in the long-term perspective. So first of all, we have this article that was published on September the 2nd on cnvpost.com, and is titled China EV sales better than feared by new concerns emerging. And here is the chart of monthly deliveries of major new car makers in China. And the green line, this light green line, represents NIO sales. And as you can see, from month to month, compared to previous month, NIO is expanding its deliveries. And I have to say that other manufacturers, the major rivals of NIO, XPeng and Li Auto, has this decrease in their sales. Definitely it is a good sign for NIO, but overall we have two companies, one of them is Neta and second one is Zeekr, that have a consecutive increase in their sales. And let me quote you the subtitle: "The delivery numbers themselves don't have any major negative surprises, but other developments are hurting stocks, including the Nvidia chip ban and the Shenzhou COVID lockdown." And let me show you right now these NIO monthly deliveries compared to previous months and years. And right here, as you can see, blue bars represents the year of 2020, orange bars represent the year of 2021, and green bars represent the year of 2022. And here is the August. And as you can see, compared to previous month deliveries of 10,052 vehicles, NIO exceeded this number by basically 6% to 10,677 vehicles. And if we compare this number on year-to-year basis, definitely it is a huge increase from 300, almost 4,000 vehicles in August 2020 to 5.8 thousand vehicles in 2021, and for now it is 10.6 thousand vehicles. On top of this information, let me show you that their new deliveries of NIO ES7 began on August 28th, and they already delivered almost 400 units of this model. Definitely, in my opinion, it is a very good number, and as I mentioned in my previous video, a lot of customers, a lot of potential customers were awaiting for the new model launch, and that's why the latest data might not be so impressive that it could be. And for now, I think in September, definitely we might see even higher numbers. but all the news have their own downsides. And one of the downsides is the NVIDIA's GPU export ban. Let me show you this article. NVIDIA's GPU export restrictions may hinder self-driving R&D for Chinese EV makers. NIO is using the NVIDIA HGX A100 to build a data center infrastructure to accelerate the development of smart driving technology. And definitely this news was the reason of this sell-off. As you can see from this range of resistance, when the price moved below this range of resistance of about $20. It had several attempts to break it to the upside, but eventually it went lower because of the news on potential restrictions of deliveries of NVIDIA chips. And definitely it is a bad news overall, but let me show you that these chips are using in data center infrastructure, and they are not intended to be in their vehicles. And that's why, in my opinion, this might be a long-term catalyst, but depending on the next news, whether or not NIO will be able to solve this problem, probably to change the supplier. Definitely it might not be so harmful for the company, because it is affecting directly their R&D department, and in my opinion, R&D news cannot be the short-term catalyst, short-term negative catalyst for the company, and that's why this movement to the downside might not be so strong. And let me show you another article. We are on seekingalpha.com, and this article was published on September the 1st, and it's titled NIO, buy it before likely everyone else does. And I want to quote you just a summary, and I will put all the links on these articles in the description below, so you can read it by yourself. And the summary is following. NIO's stock has been going in reverse lately, and shares are down by approximately 70% from their all-time high last year. However, NIO's primary problem may be that it is a Chinese company with delisting concerns. NIO is remarkably cheap when evaluated against its American competitors, has massive potential, and the delisting concerns could expire soon. NIO won't be a $20 stock for long, and shares are likely heading considerably higher. So definitely I agree with this article, and in the long term, in my opinion, NIO might bring a lot of profits for their investors, and that's why just patiently wait for the entry point if you want to catch the trade. But if you want to invest in this asset, just accumulate on every daily red candle. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should we expect next? Definitely we still have this range of about $18 as the range of support, and to prove or disprove this, as you can see, this layout, we have to retest, we have to break this range of support, but we have to break it without a major increase in volume. Only in this case, this movement to the downside won't be the major movement, won't be the motive wave, won't be the impulsive wave, and in this case it will be just a correction wave to hit probably this range of support, this lower end of this channel. And if the bounce from this lower end will be with increasing volume, definitely we might hit the higher price targets, these resistances again, and in this case we might even break this to the upside. So what should you do if you want to catch the trade? In my opinion, just wait for the confirmation when we will see higher highs and higher lows on a higher time frames, and for now we don't have this confirmation yet. And if you want to invest in this asset, first of all, do your own due diligence, and then if you decide to invest in this asset, just accumulate on every daily red candle. And remember that for now we have to hold, or we have to break this range of support, but if we will break it, we have to break it without increase in volume, and this will show you the potential movement to the downside that might be the lowest point so far, and we might hit the ranges of about $17 or $16.7. Otherwise, if we will have an increase in volume in just next several sessions, and if this asset will break this sloping line, this upper resistance, definitely we should break all the major tops basically previous swing highs, and in this case we will have a confirmation of new medium-term uptrend. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no